All right, we're ready to proceed now with cutting this sheet into the 4 pieces that we're going to need to construct the top of the horn telescope. Now, you have in your instructions a sheet that looks like this, and on it are the markings that you need to make the marks on both sides so we can cut it correctly. So the first thing we need to do is mark each side with our little marks using our Sharpie and our metal straight edge. And so I'm going to be cutting on the side that starts with 0 first. So I have a 0 marker here, and we're going to make a mark at 14 7/8, 21 1/2, 33 3/8, and 37 1/2. Those are the 4 marks that are along the bottom. After I've done that, I'm going to go up, set my ruler so I can do the top piece. As you can see, those are 4 1/8, 10 3/4, 25 5/8, 29 3/4, and 41 5/8. Once you've marked both sides, you might find it helpful to go ahead and label these sections just like they are on your sheet: top, bottom, left, and right. And so this is where we should be right now. Sections identified and small marks at the top and the bottom. All right, so what do we do next to cut them out? Well, we just start at 0 and work our way across. So we're going to put the marker here at 0, take it up to 4 1/8, get out our trusty Sharpie, and just draw a straight line just like that. And we're going to go over to 10 3/4, line that up with the next mark over here. Put down our straight edge. Go to the next mark on the bottom, 21 1/2. Line that up with 25 5/8. And once again, we're going to mark right across the page. Come over here to 29 3/4. Come over to 33 3/8. Line them up nice and neatly. Draw another mark. And one more to go. 37 1/2 on the bottom. 41 5/8 on the top. And one more line. And if you've done that, like the instructions, you'll see at this point, you have marked your sheet into 4 sections. What's the next step? Well, you can probably guess. We're going to grab our straight edge and cut them out. So let's get started. Once again, hold your ruler firmly. Start with a nice light cut, just trying to go through the foil. That'll make it much easier to keep the box cutter right along the edge. It does have a tendency to want to wander off. Once you've marked that cut, now you can go back and start lightly going a little deeper each time. Please make sure you've talked to a teacher about doing this on a surface that it's okay to cut on. I don't want you to get in trouble building one of these. All right, let's see, almost there. And let's see if that'll do it. And not quite, almost. Need to get one more cut. Just doesn't want to come off today, does it? All right, well, let's just come down the side. We'll fold it open a little bit. Come right down there by lifting it off the table, and there you go. All right, so we're going to come over here, repeat the process. Once again, line it up nice and straight. Make a nice light cut, just cutting the foil. That'll make it very easy for you to keep your knife right along the straight edge ruler. Now go back and make deeper cuts, working your way slowly through to the bottom. If it looks like you're almost done, and again, you've still got some thickness left. That's okay. Do what we did before. Pick up the sheet, make a little cut, and then just follow right on down the board. And there we have it, piece number 1, the top of the horn. All right, let's keep on going. We're going to do the bottom next. Just going to make some nice light lines here. Okay, I think you get the idea. So while I go ahead and finish mine, we're going to stop the video and let you go ahead and finish cutting out of yours, and we'll pick it up after that.